Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
At equilibrium, the rate of dissolution of a solid solute in a volatile liquid solvent is. You can check the options. As per the question, the system is now in equilibrium, right? See, which are the process taking place here? Solid solute combined with or dissolved in liquid solvent to form solution. That dissolution process is forward reaction here, right? Now, from the solution, we are getting solid solute and liquid solvent separately, that is crystallization. That is the reverse process, right? And we clearly know at equilibrium, what is the speciality? The rate of forward reaction, dissolution, becomes equal to rate of backward reaction, that is crystallization. Correct? Rate of dissolution become equal to rate of crystallization. So what is the right answer? Option C. Hope all of you understand. Option C is the right answer.